programme. Russia's defence ministry says rebel fighters have brought down a Russian jet in Syria's Idlib province and killed the pilot. The following is footage of the incident posted online by the militants.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! الطيار وقع. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! فوق سراقب وإصابته الله أكبر وسقوطه.
Well, the incident happened close to the village of Mathran in Idlib province. The region is the last remaining rebel stronghold in the country. Jaish al-Nasir, the group that has claimed responsibility for the attack, says it's part of the moderate opposition Free Syrian Army. However, it's believed to be allied with the latest incarnation of the terrorist group al-Nusra. It was earlier supported by the US and even received weapons from Washington.